Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you storage belt for EPS cutting line. The storage belt can put 4 pieces of EPS block. Civil part is an alignment cylinder, while the EPS block is put on the storage belt by forklift driver. It will be aligned first before move forward. The yellow part is a pair of sensors installed in front of the storage belt. When it senses there is a forklift, the conveyor belt will stop so that the EPS block can be safely placed on the storage belt. For more information about EPS cutting line, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. See you next video.